Hello everybody, welcome back to more Wingit Plays Drink with Zero the Rocket Slime. In the last episode, we climbed all over the tower and fought two tank battles which were very long and very hard. So we're going to continue climbing the cliff. No! That's the wrong button. Wait, where did it go? Well, whatever, we don't need it anyways. If you remember, in here, there was a bunch of these crystals which we needed the Master Blast to actually break. And this one we get some cash, kinda cool. Get out of here, I need you. We'll explore that in a second. I want to finish in here real fast. If there's anything useful in here. Well, wait, we actually need one of those for crafting, so we're gonna take it. We don't really need you, so let's get into another tank battle, cause... yeah, there's one right over here, we might as well do it. Oh man, there's a ton of good drops over here. We're gonna actually get all these. Yeah, his mouth can't hurt. How far are we up the tower? We're getting there. No one, the warrior flutes and participate in real tank combat. So since we're actually using the cannon a little more, we're going to be doing stuff. Both Goodie Bag's only ability is to actually go steal ammo, but Goodie Bags is really good at it. Ghost can steal ammo and have the commanders, we're going to do that, and the walking corpse can only fire like crazy. Now me and the corpse are going to actually fire and fight over here. Meanwhile, Goodie Bags and the ghosts are going to go steal some shit. And as you can see, it upgrades some of our ammunition, which is pretty cool. Which will be nice, because yeah, we have the level 3 bow there, and then these little bullets down here. You might be wondering how to actually use them. Well, it's kind of interesting. Because you can shoot them through the tank, and they just kind of don't do shit. They kind of shoot over. They're a little basic 5 damage bullet, which sounds kind of useless. But the way they work is with this gun over here. So what you want to do with this gun is actually walk it all the way back, up to the top. And park it right over here, down at one of these bottom parts. Really, at most you're going to need ever for these is 2. That's the most guns I recommend taking. And if you put these items together, the gun's actually going to shoot and do a little bit of pot shots at the enemy, which is pretty nice. But the real bonus is it can shoot down other ammunitions. So while it does do very little damage, it does have its uses in just consistent free damage, and is able to attack for a lot. No, put that down. I want it. Oh, I didn't mean to shoot him through the tank. For 8. Not even 8, that was way more than 8. So as you can see, this is one of the better items in the game. I want one of these. You just had to grab the one I was stacking up. You really did. Ugh. I guess I can't blame too much, you're technically a corpse. You shouldn't have the most strategical thoughts. This miracle sword up here. Fire them both out. Bam. Get the gun going. And as you can see, the gun can do quite a bit of work. This is partially why I took 2 steel ammunition types, because as you can see, an entire row of our ammo deck is completely gone by just dealing with this one gun. Which does kinda suck. But as you can see, it's pretty fine. Especially when you have people like Goodie Bags and... what's his face? The Ghost, which can do very effective things at stealing ammunition. Unfortunately, Ghost takes a long path for it, which kinda sucks. So another strategy you can do is actually fill your thing up with a bunch of these bullets and just focus on using the guns. To just kind of only have them do damage and just kind of ignore the enemy's bullets. And once again, this is another tank you gotta guess. Up, top, or down. I'm gonna guess top this time. I'll usually guess down. Hey, we got it right this time. Fantastic. Bum ba da ba bum. Victory! Ghost Bomb and this slime. I don't know what the species of slime is called. I like the design of it though. I like the hair. But as you can see, the gun's kinda helpful. Pretty good item to have. So I highly recommend using it a little bit. At least give it a shot. Give it a fair shake. I do like our current upgraded ammo slots. I kinda think I brought too many shields, but this could be worse. Ooh, I got a statue. Sure, we'll send them off. And the mole can go too. Let's head up, shall we? Sure, we can take the Platypunk, it can't hurt. Now, unfortunately, you can't zoom out in the inside area, because it makes some sense. They don't want you getting spoiled on how the map works, but it doesn't really matter. And now we're finally at the top, so... one of the cooler moments of the game, I'll admit. I kinda like this, I think it's really neat looking. We're gonna teleport down... and go drop you off for this visual effect. And as you can probably guess what's going to happen, if you hit down here, you go all the way down the cliff. And get some rope burn. Just a little bit. More importantly, you make it in here. Which is where the boss is. But we want to get to the top of the cliff anyways. I don't want to be down here immediately. Let's go see what's at the top of the cliff. Two, three... Unfortunately, you can't take pit stops and jump off wherever you want. You do have to go all the way back up to the top. But it is cool. I do like it. You get a nice view of the sky, but more importantly, a seed of life. And yes, as you can probably guess, another tank battle. Doo-doo, the Enforcer, it's all gone prong. Now this one, I believe, is it like the T-Rex one? I think it is. Once again, we're gonna stick with the same strategy of just, hey, go steal stuff. No, it doesn't do that special thing. Okay, go steal stuff, and we're gonna work on just firing stuff back here. The fuck is that thing? Yes, I don't know why that. I forgot about the lightning rod entirely. Jeez, their own tank is just getting destroyed. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. 80. Oh, it's because they have a thing that fell in there. Oh, I see why that's happening. Okay, now I understand. I now understand why this is happening. Okay. This is gonna be a fast one. They have a whole scythe here, too. Ooh. They have some good ammo. Their tank's already destroyed. That's kind of impressive and pathetic. Well, let's go over there and destroy it fully. This was, I think, our fastest tank battle yet, I think. At least modern one, not counting the tutorial ones. That's kind of funny. So yes, I believe the way these things work is once they land, they'll start shooting lightning down from the sky and start blasting them with their own lightning. So this would have actually been a cool fight to actually come in here and start destroying the tank from the inside in. Completely destroy it. That's a cool little spot for that. That's neat looking. But thankfully the fight's already pretty much over. I'm impressed and depressed, because that was really fast. Well, I guess we have time to go fight the boss of the area, guys. What do we got? A lightning bolt? That's not a bad item to actually have. I might build it. Ooh, that's where you are. I think I know what I'll do here. Yeah, I'll do... That might be an item for another interesting strategy if I can build a bunch of those. Because you can build a strategy around invading the enemy's tank and messing with them like that. Lightning bolt did it quite a bit if you plop it in the enemy's tank. But you don't have to fire, you can just put it in and go. All the way down to the bottom. Let's go over to that boss fight, shall we? I forgot what the boss of this area is. I don't remember. What the hell is it again? Oh, is it this thing? I think it is. Now I vaguely remember this area, kind of. Harvest Lewin, Master of Scythe. I hear you defeated one of my numbers. I'll crack it too. I always suspected Pop Ellie was a useless layabout, but the big three was one short. I managed to reaping a servants like you here. Present for you, at least it might give you my scythe something to bite on. She's a puny urchin with an urn, and I'm a psycho with a scythe. The club's #1 blade master for nothing, you know. You'll see. So yes, we have to fight the Blade Master. The main gimmick of this fight is just shoot stuff back. Oh, I missed. relatively simple fight. It's actually one of the times your float can come in use if you don't want to try hitting it back. Which I'm not sure if you can. I think you can. There you go. If you hit it up, you'll get it hot. Which I don't remember what that does. But it clearly does something. But thankfully this fight is pretty easy. Well, I guess Potbelly isn't harder. Potbelly, you can just kind of sit still and Potbelly will knock himself out of the match. But then again, you're not much of a fight either. I mean, I thought these enemies didn't appear here. Gotcha. Yeah, more of these idiots. Gotcha. No, no. You've been defeated. And we get a scythe. Collect this item. You want it. Who are you? Oh, you're this guy. Good. Guess it's you, Rocket. Be going. Let's get out of here, I agree. Two member of the plugs. That's Plum's big three is done. Now we have this area. And another Vulcan gun. Very helpful. You head back to town together with... Yeah. The goddess will reward you for this, Rocket. Thankfully, goddess, you're not hurt. Don't worry so much, brave Rocketeer came to my rescue. I can't thank you enough, Rocket, now that you'll get some rest. Tomorrow will be a busy day, so you'll need to get your strength back. Bum bum bum. Do do do. Do 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 do. Look at the state of this town. So many are reduced to this mess. Whatever's broken can be fixed to royal wobbliness. We should have everyone working to restore Slamminia to its former glory. He's right, we can't give in into this. First things first, we'll start at clearing up the town and the palace. Heard that, didn't you, son? We all got to pull together and tidy this place up. Whack. Cart with a new bell. Now the church is back up and running. One second. Sorry about that, let's get back to it. Even though it's pretty much the end of the episode anyways. And they're repairing our house. Oh, multiplying. That, our house is fixed. We finally get to move this giant boulder out of the way, or spike ball, with the slime tank, taking it far, far away. To where? I don't remember if they ever say. The palace is fixed. Slimania is looking a lot more complete. One of the Bungborg Slim idiots have make the town spick and span again. Everyone's efforts, the palace and town look respectable again. Channel some enthusiasm into defeating the Plob. They are investing in the Plob's movements as we speak. Back any moment. Excellent. Totally unexcellent. Radical news flash coming up. The devil, what's your report, Tom? Serious royal woman, something bad going down. What is it? Calm down. Speak some sense, Slime. To give your report, your royal wobbliness. Trying to excavate something close to Mount Krakatoa. Large numbers of plebiscite at work there. What is this area? I don't remember this at all. Dark dude. Dark Angel, maybe? Oh, bless me, even if you're getting confused with an Archangel. Come on, what was a Dark Glass hit? Nearly, it sounded a bit like Dark Wonder. Wonder if it was the Dark One? But that's it, awesome. When I heard him talking about, it was the Dark One. The Plob are trying to dig up the Dark One. Everyone terrified. Tom and Boo are having a good time. Alright, that looks like it. We're most certainly feeling good. It's correct, we should be in mortal danger. I want to go there, Rocket, and put a stop to his plan up close. Another more to report, your royal wobbleness. Be careful, Rocket. This place hides many evils. Good luck, little dude. Remember Slime's rule. Do okay, Rocket. Eat this before you go. You'll need all the strength you can muster. And with this, another seed of life. But as we learn of the plot's plan to revive the Dark One, we'll have to handle that in the next episode. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all then.